Thank you. Kian Abolfazlian here. I am a director leading data transformation for one of the largest businesses in Philips, which is a premium healthcare solution provider. And myself, I've been working with digital first solutioning, AI native, AI solutioning, data monetization in the context of the business for the past 20 years. I've been working with it in medium to large scale digital transformations for different industries across the world. It has already, if we are not looking at the more hyped version of the generative AI, and here I'm mentioning specifically ChatGPT, which is very much becoming everybody's favorite toy nowadays. Generative AI has been used in research and development, very established practice where you are using them to come up with different and more specific design choices. And it has been used in various industries, in automotive, in aerospace, different type of manufacturing. So yes, productivity is there. You can actually tap to designs, solutions that were not possible before, but they are always are used as an augmentation of the intelligence, not automation of it. So there are always human beings, subject matter experts that are looking at those options and choosing, using their own background, the best solution. That's the way that has been used, and it can give to productivity. If you want to just automate your intelligence or product productivity, then no, I don't believe that it gives anything valuable. The downside would be that, since it is so easy to use and it has a feeling of a real-time solutioning, that you can abandon your own judgment, your own creative processes specifically, and responsibilities, because the way they are built, they are tapping to inputs that could be IP of some other people or companies. Without you knowing it, and there is a lot of problem with the truthfulness, because they just combine data information in many ways that could be interesting to later read, but you have to question the truthfulness of it. The data used inherently comes with the cognitive biases that can be also traced back to the solutioning that they come with. So these are the drawbacks of using them if they are not used only as an augmentation of your intelligence. If you are using it to get better and still using your own judgment, yes, they are very good. If not, then there are a lot of issues that we have to still understand before we can even address. Of course, you can work to refine the technology, but I think the technology has got in a very good mature situation now that we have to look at them as how can we use them in a business context. So from a business solution point of view, how can we use that? How can we have an adequate solution to address digital first customers who want things right time, right place with the right message? So a good adapted generative AI can be a great tool for that. But at the same time, the next step would be also work with the regulatory aspect of it, the compliance with the legislations. So these are the things that we have to tackle, not as a policing, but much more as a proactive way of using the input, using the problems that they can come up with to refine them and make them a better tool to address customers' needs.